How do you change data in Tableau? In this example, I'm going to use a case statement and an alias. If I go over to the data source, your data might not be labeled exactly as you like. If you're coming from an Excel background, you have the ability to change data before you analyze it. If I wanted to change south, from the screen there is no way to change south. Maybe this should be called southeast. Maybe west should be called southwest. But I don't have the ability in Tableau to change that. In the sheet is where you can change aliases and use case statements. So I'm going to create a calculated field and update some of my field names. I'm going to call this new region. I'm going to write a case statement. Case region when west, then southwest. When east, then southeast. Else region. End. Let's put new region onto rows. So I've now changed the value, so all of west is now southwest, all of east is now southeast. You can also edit an alias by clicking the drop down on region, aliases, and changing the aliases here. Now, my original field called region shows southeast instead of east. So although there isn't a way to change your data in the data source pane, you can write calculations and use aliases to change it within Tableau. Hope this helps.